After hearing some exciting news about a new version of FreeBSD 12.2, I headed over to the website, grabbed the ISO image and downloaded. But this is for the video after this one. For now, this video that you're watching, I'm going to be upgrading my system that I make videos on. My main machine. I'm going to upgrade from 12.1 to 12.2. And you can watch me do it after the intro. Okay, I've fully backed up everything just in case, and I'm just going to check on the current version. It's 12.1, so everything's backed up, and we're going to start the long, slow process, and it is a long, slow process, of upgrading the current machine I'm using. It's fairly painless once you get into it. I'm going to SU into super user. I know I'm not going to use do-as on this because I need to keep in this particular elevated status at the moment. So first I'm going to run FreeBSD update fetch. And that's going to bring down any updates that I need to install, if there are any. And in this case, none are needed. Next, the most important part is FreeBSD update upgrade for the release, type it in properly, 12.2 release. So it's telling it to upgrade to the next release version, which is 12.2. And it begins. I'm going to fast forward this and skip it as well because it really does take a long time. So once you get past this little notification, type yes of course. And it starts. Now, like I said earlier, this really does take a long time, so I'll fast forward this up to a certain point, then we'll cut to the end. Right, yep, it took 3 hours for this to complete. The next step is to issue FreeBSD update install. It will install all the packages that we've just fetched for the last 3 hours. This takes a time itself as well. Then after a reboot, we actually run FreeBSD update install again to finish off. And we exit that and type in new name, and now we've got 12.2. If there is some extra steps in case you need to update any ports or packages, etc. On mine, I didn't need to do that, so I just jumped to this end bit first. And for full instructions, really better than what I put on the screen, if you go to the FreeBSD 12.2 release, and it will say installing an upgrading guide. So check that out, have a look, and it'll go through every single step that you need to do. And you can follow each one, print this page out or keep it on another machine. If you follow this guide, you can upgrade your system very, very painlessly. And I must say that 12.2 is running really, really well. The next video I'm going to do after this one is going to be a clean install of the new release and a full review.